Hello guys, this is one of the Live Good products. Here, Super Reds from Florida, USA. #1 organic product as of now. So I'm just looking the components here. Here, supplement packs. So these are the supplement packs. But there is no steel office here in the Philippines. Thank you for watching, guys. This one is the Super Greens Live Good product from Florida, USA. So this is the bottle I've seen, guys. It's purely organic. This one, Super Greens, because there is no office yet in the Philippines, but you can buy direct. Super Greens. Thank you for watching, guys. So I have here 2 bottles only, just a bottle. The Super Reds and Super Greens. These are the 2 most sellable products here in the Philippines. This is a pure organic product from Florida, USA. Live Good top products. I'm just interested to know all the components, the effectivity of these organic products. The Super Reds and the Super Greens Live Good products. Thank you for watching, guys.
Mas salamat kanimo kay sa imong paghidaron no nadasig gihapon nga mo income sama sa ato ang mga kasagaran nga naa diri na sa tawag natong boundary no sunset days na, but still enjoying the perks and benefits of the income nga gihatag kanato sa Live Good. Palakpakan ang Live Good. Wow, walay ginapili ang Live Good, no, mabatanon, middle age, mahantong, so everyone can enjoy and everyone can work with Live Good. So atong ipadayon, no, ang endeavor, ang kumaayo na plano sa ato ang mga Gingo family nga ipalabnan, i-spread out pa. So sama sa Gingo ni Sir June, hopefully na maabot na dito sa Cebu, and then sa Manila, kaya nagsukat bang gini siya dito sa US, and then downline sa Philippines, and then who knows, no? Kita natin mga paryente, natin mga kamag-anak, natin mga
Welcome all! I'll be vlogging this one. Live Good Davao, Live Good Mindanao. Here, our Sir Gingo is the company. Yeah. Hello, Live Good.